Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to configure RAM in MSI BIOS, and you can also follow the same process in whatever BIOS you are using. So as you can see, I'm on my screen. So we just need to restart our PC. So for that, just click on Windows icon and click on restart here. And as you click on restart, you will see the PC is now restarting. And while your PC restart, we need to hit our delete key couple of times until we get into BIOS. So we just need to press or delete key until we get into the BIOS, and as soon as you get into your BIOS, we need to look for the option overclocking, as you can see at the top in my case. And as I click on overclocking here we need to look for the AXMP section, or you can also look for the XMP section, or also it could be named as extreme memory profile. As you found it, just click there, and here now you will find two options. The first is profile 1 and the second is profile 2. So if you are the guy who just want to configure his RAM in the most safest and reliable way, just click on profile 1 and just save these changes and exit the BIOS. Now if you are the guy who want high performance, want to push his RAM further and demanding aggressive settings, in that case you just need to go with profile 2, because it will automatically make your RAM on aggressive settings and you can get high performance. But if you are the guy just like me who prefer manual settings rather than the profiles as we saw before, then in that case you need to disable the XMP, click on DRAM frequency, and here we need to switch it from auto to the manual frequencies. Like in my case, my RAM supports 3000 megahertz, so I'm just gonna select it on 3000 megahertz. So you can just also choose your desired frequency, like it could be below your RAM supports frequency. Like if your RAM supports 3600 megahertz, you can just choose it on 3400 megahertz, 3600 megahertz also, but above that it could harm your PC. So I am just gonna select it on 3000 megahertz because that's the maximum frequency my RAM supports. Now I want to save these changes, so for that I need to click on save and exit, then click on save and reboot. And yeah, PC is now restarting. And yeah guys, as you can see in the memory section, my RAM speed is increased to 3000 megahertz. Before it was just 2100 megahertz. So that's how you can configure your RAM. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.